Hello friends, welcome in my new Unreal Engine tutorial. In this lesson, I will explain you how to remove gun or hand from first-person camera and creating our project in Unreal Engine. So you have to do a first thing, just load the game engine. I'm using 4.18 version. This is the default screen, so we just click on launch. I am creating a new project, and we are creating with a first-person preset. Desktop console, with maximum quality, selecting no starter content. But I am selecting first person. Select project folder, you can give a path. I given the name FPS. You can also use flying, puzzle, rolling third person as your requirement. Click on create project. FPS project is loading. This is our first-person character with a gun, but we want to remove the gun and hand from first person. So just have a look how I do this. You can watch my tutorial, how to create first person from scratch. I given the link in description. So first we remove fireballs from gun. So just open the blueprint of first-person character. This is the event graph. On spawn projectile, we remove the connection of input action fire and input touch. So just press Alt and right-click to disconnect these tangents. First we check this happen or not, so compile and save. Now let's play. Okay, great, firing is stopped from the gun. It's working properly. Let's do this one more time. Open blueprint and attach the nodes again. Compile and save. Hit play button. It starts again. Okay, detach this because we don't want fireballs. And now we want to remove the gun from the character. So open blueprint of our first-person character again. And now we want to remove the gun from the character. So open blueprint of our first-person character again. And select the gun and uncheck the visible in rendering tab. Same with the other gun and mesh. Now save and compile. Minimize the blueprint. Let's play again. So guns are not visible, looks good. Press escape button to stop. But the cross still visible, which we don't want. So just open first person, HUD, blueprint, and in event graph. On the group, drawn crosshair, in center of screen. Disconnect this tangent. Now compile and save this. And close this, BP. Okay, hit play button. Cross is not visible. Great, okay friends. I hope you like this tutorial. Must like and comment on my video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching and keep supporting. I hope you like this tutorial. Must like and comment on my video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching and keep supporting.